Where can you find the driver software? Downloading it from the ProColor official website. Double-click the driver software to begin installation. Please note that when installing the driver, the printer needs to be powered on and connected to your computer via a USB cable. Once the installation is complete, you will see the printer driver icon in the lower right corner of your computer screen. Simply click on it to check the printer's status.